YouTube. Hey YouTube. I am rebuilding my rm85. You can see it's all apart and it's blew up. Where's that? Oh, see, the bore's good right here. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. This is a piston from a CR85. It's all messed up. Yeah, I'm gonna need a new back fending because it's all cracked. But right now, I've got my 2001 right here. I just like the 2006 style better, so I'm gonna put my 2001 motor in it today. I'm gonna put this motor into this one right here for now, and I'll get this motor fixed because I just like the 2006 a lot better. Because if I had them both fixed, I could have both of my friends riding, so it'd be real cool. But I have a sheet somewhere that says how much it's gonna take, how much money it's gonna be. So I don't know where that's at, but I'll go find it real quick.